Oh, say it ain't so. I just woke up. I just woke up. Sugar done what? Sugar, you, all right. Just so we all transparent here, I'm in my drawers, right? I promise you my onion rings won't pop out. But I'm in my drawers. Nigga told me, Sugar, I'm in there looking at stocks and shit like, oh, bitch. That's what that when the stock going up, there was alert going off that Sugar just dropped up. What nigga say that I'll punch every... My grinder. Look! Nigga, we breaking the motherfucking web tonight. Man, can I lick the camera? No, I ain't brushed. Alright, another transparency. I ain't brushed. Fuck! What the fuck, nigga? August D2. Nigga, we D1 though, because we like to go. No, them onion rings. No, gotta put them back down, but I forgot. Oh no, the only reason I couldn't find no pants. I said, nigga, by the time I wanted to shoot this video, and by the time the pants, where the pants was located, shit wasn't gonna add up. Nigga, we turning up 8 o'clock tonight. Man, fuck that. What's August D? Tonight on Patreon. The reason I'm doing it on Patreon, I ain't been showing the Patreon no love. They get no exclusive because I put everything on YouTube. So I got to show the Patreon love. And we fucking turning up in that bitch. If you ain't in there, join us. Hold on. August motherfucker D. I'm in my truck. Ooh, I got my whole testis. Let's see. I'm in there. We giving it to them. Fuck it. We gonna give it to them bitches. Because we gonna give it to them. This what's going on tonight. Naomi, I'm sorry. She finna be mad. Okay. We forgot about all these things again. We just need to be reminded. Is this the new August D already? Okay, that's the old August D, nigga. Okay, fuck me up. It's given to me. I thought it was given to me too for a second. 가족조차 인정한 덕종 난 공공의 적적 우리가 몇 개 덕종 형들은 죄다 또 맛을 봐 한 입으로 말하면 대겨볼까 What you know about me You can control my shit 가끔은 배트만들 전부 주워달고 가서 이유가 뭐냐고 물어보면 딱히 답을 할 게 없어 그동안 죽어도 넌 내보단 덜 자고 더 움직임을 컸어 지금 성공의 비법은 몰라도 망하는 비법 잘 알 것 같아 난 것처럼 놀고 나불대는 게 비법 누가 너 그렇게 살 것 같아 Give it to me Turn around so my onion rings don't pop out 뭐든 좋으니까 가져와 Give it to them niggas, shut up August D, nigga, what's today's day? Nigga, ain't no give it to me 뭐든 좋으니까 가져와 범으로 태어나 개처럼 살 수는 없이 뭐든지 따라봐 소리든 돈이든 그게 명예든 절대 구걸하지 않아 네 손에 든 것을 난 탐하지 않아 그게 뭐든 나는 That's me looking like Naomi gon' kill me. I'm on the internet in my drawers. I do got a whole girlfriend. All this sexiness cannot be in one place. I'm gonna finish putting my UFC gloves on. But we turning them, nigga. Everybody wear UFC gloves tonight. When you join us on Patreon, bitch, you better have some UFC gloves. We punching. Who, what? I don't know yet, but we punching. Sugar like to turn 내가 할 것만 해요. 약속하는 것을 내 탐하지 않아. 그게 뭐든 나는 내가 할 것만 해요. 약속강식의 법칙. 조건 성공이란 단어 속에 점수. 니들끼리 치고받고 싸워. 그래 새끼 그래 약도 병신다워. 네가 또 싸우지. 말은 또는 약실을 하다 좀도 관심 없으니까 부대. 그렇게 살아 건드리지 마. 내가 손도 대신 봐. 널 손목에 깜치다간 걸어가는 야. One for the money and two for the show. Fake. Flashlight, give it to me. They ain't fucking with you. Give it to me. The kids in the background saying they ain't fucking with you. 뭐든 좋으니까 가져와. Give it to me. Give it to me. 뭐든 좋으니까 가져와. Look, this is what we doing. August D2, I ain't heard shit, bitch. This shit better be motherfucker. This shit shit better be the motherfucker. Nigga. I ain't gonna cuss tonight. I ain't gonna say one cuss word tonight. Not one motherfucking cuss word. So let me get them out now. Motherfucker shit, goddamn motherfucker, goddamn little bitch, you motherfucker shit, goddamn bitch, oh motherfucker little bitch, whipping mother. Alright, so I think I got all my cuss words out for the night. I usually look like this when I'm lying. Alright, we're about this thing. Make sure you join us tonight. We finna turn the fuck up. Patreon, is you ready? Motherfuckers, y'all better ready. Whoa! Hold my testers in. Hold my testers in. Sugar! Since you like to talk all that shit, you think you a hooper? Nigga, I'm coming in with two onion rings. but two balls, basketballs. Right here, nigga. Sugar, if you want these problems, you meet me on Patreon too. Right here, boy. And when you in Atlanta, hit me up, cause I'm dunking. I got a little step ladder you ain't gonna see. It's a little clear one. But nigga, I'm dunking on somebody. I think we about this thing. Sugar, August D2, tonight, 8 p.m. Outro!
Yeah, you never flew private plane. Now your eyes open wide open.